And thereof, it's now business class in the early part ng Super Win for the outside Grand Fiesta. Running by the Will Janelle's episode in Between Horses is Pedro Penducova. Passing the winning pose, business class takes up the running, balang followed now by Super Win. Pedro Penduco running by the wheel is Grand Fiesta, then followed by Janelle's episode. And going along for the first turn, business class in front by Alain, followed by Pedro Penducova. Grand Fiesta racing third around the outside for Super Win. Down in fifth, Janelle's episode. Then followed by Northern Arrow Premier Edition. Here comes Claim My Prize. Then followed by entry number 6, Slim Princess Carry Over. Ilocos Pride Show Master while Dragon King is running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600 business class being joined by Grand Fiesta and Super Win now for the outside. Inside the last 600 business class hanging on with a half length leader. Super Win now for the outside. Grand Fiesta pop the question was Claim My Prize nicking in. Business class Super Win and Claim My Prize Grand Fiesta. It's now Super Win from the outside, followed by business class, Claim My Price, Super Win, and finally, might be a close one over Super Win, Claim My Price, business class, 6.
Nine. Not my